years old braid. Is that what I'm seeing? If it's stressing you out, he got to go. Why was this tagged 4C hair? So I usually don't do this, but here we are. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jen J. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. Today we are going to roast some video on TikTok. What? We're just gonna watch a few TikTok videos and react to them. We're jumping on the bandwagon a little bit, I think it'll be fun. I have to give a shout out to one of you guys who suggested this video actually on my live on Sunday. One of y'all were like, you should react to TikTok videos. And I was like, oh, that's for the kids. But it stayed with me. I slept on it. I woke up. I'm still thinking about it. So let's do this. We are just about to hop on TikTok and search for 4C hair. I see some shenanigans already, but let's just scroll and see a few videos. This one piqued my interest.
Here's a new challenge for my black people with type 4 hair. If you think you have more shrinkage than I do, I definitely don't believe you, so duet this and prove me wrong. You see how it barely goes past my eyebrow?
Yes! Girl! We just have to start with shrinkage because y'all know 4C hair. We have to start with that. What's going on over here? People are so rude. When are people gonna just start minding their business and leave other people head alone? Like that, who said your hair was like pubic hair? What? That is so rude, so rude. But you know what? I have to say, we have gone through so much as people with 4C hair. A couple of videos ago, my mom was complimenting my hair by saying it felt like a Brillo pad. That is so mean. I've seen this video before, the one about proper hydration. I'm not even gonna get into it because I feel some sort of way about it. I'm just not even gonna get into it. Anywho, maybe we do want to get. Do we want to get into it? Let's get into it. I'm not even trying to be messy today. I'm just trying to react. But I just feel like TikTok gets you a little messy.
Bring the beat back.
I remember the first time I watched this video, it was on Instagram, and I think I reposted it or something, and people went nuts. And my point in this video was that, you know, it's not 4C hair, and that's not what proper hydration really looked like, because hydration isn't a look. That's where I was coming from, and I didn't want people with 4C hair thinking, oh my god, I need my hair to look like this, because if my hair doesn't look like that, it's not hydrated. That was my thing, and people went nuts. It was a lot of people agree with me, a lot of people didn't agree with me, because she's also a natural hair salon, the person that originally created this video. So a lot of people were attached to her as a salon owner, as an artist, as a stylist, and she's helped a lot of people. And I wasn't trying to bash her, but the way that you talk about hair have a huge impact. That is one of the ways that hydration can look like, but it's not the only one. Okay, my hair can be hydrated and not have curls. Let's keep that in mind. Let's continue. I see a lot of hair over here that's not really 4C, but let's keep going.
Do you ever get embarrassed of your hair?
No, I love my hair.
Oh, her hair is so
It's
pretty.
so messy.
Every single strand of hair on my head has been individually curled to perfection. The average human being has between 80,000 and 120,000 hairs on their head. And yet every single individual strand of hair on my head has been coiled and curled to perfection. meaning the universe in its infinite glory made sure that every single individual strand would be curled to perfection.
Facts.
Not a bunch, not a clump, every single hair strand. An old teacher of mine used to say that rushed work is never really our best work. All I know is the universe took its time making me.
Ooh. Yes, sis, you better say it. Her hair must feel so good after all of that, though. The way her hair just bounced after detangling it. Wow, wow, wow. I know he gets a lot of heat about 4C hair. I saw it on Cheesy's video, and I think she said he didn't have 4C hair. I think one of the things that we need to keep in mind is hair texture has a role to play with how our hair looks in terms of like surface texture. Is the surface of your hair shiny? Is it a little rough? Is your cuticle closed? Are they open? All of that has something to do with how your hair looks, okay? I just feel like this man is in the category of his own. He has his own hair type. You know how we need to expand? You know how they had to expand the hair typing chart to include 4C hair? Well, they need to expand it once more for this man right there. For him. He's in his own category. I don't know what type of hair he has. Is it 4C? Is it 6M? I don't know. But he's on his own little category. That's not 4C. That's not 4C hair, but it was quite entertaining to see. You know, natural hair is just so bomb, y'all. Okay, I don't know. Oh, Cheesy, let's see how she's doing. Okay, I have to give it to her for doing that in public. Oh, filming in public is in a whole different ball game. But girl, I see you doing your thing. 3 years old braid. Is that what I'm seeing? Removing 3 years old braid. Wow. First of all, 3 years. I have no idea what was going on in this girl's life for her to leave her braids in for so long. My heart goes out to you, boo-boo. But she has beautiful hair. She has really long hair, but like, whoo, was her scalp not on fire after the first 6 months? That's my question. That is my question. Whew, her scalp must have been on fire, but that must have felt so good. Just getting that hair washed. I don't know why they use a blow dryer. Y'all know me. I feel like we overuse heat. Why does she need to use heat? Whatever. But her hair is beautiful. What's going on here?
Take a deep breath. 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 I'll beat your ass. Take a deep breath. Take a deep.
OMG! I want to do this. This is so funny. Oh my god. Does she have 4C hair though? I feel like half of these women on this hashtag do not actually have 4C hair. But whatever. Let's move on to the hashtag. Maybe I'll get better. Let's go back to 4C hair. I don't know. Maybe I'll get better luck over here. Oh, is that somebody else? No, it's the same guy. No, it's the same man. I thought it was somebody else with the same hair type. I'm telling you. What an interesting hair type. I wonder what his hair would look like if they just like combed it out. I kind of feel like he doesn't comb it out, kind of wash it, like do wash and go and keep the curls intact. But I wonder what the curls would look like if he comb them out. I'm so intrigued by this men's hair type. What about her?
So you're telling me that y'all are out here so beautiful, so funny, personality's glowing better than my skin, and you deserve the world, and you're stressing over a boy that barely speaks English and has terrible grammar? The ones that be like, you keep it a book with your babe, like, we can go back to the crib for that, like, I'm just trying to fuck, like, you fine as fuck, don't look up.
Damn.
So you're telling me that
Facts. Even if he has proper grammar, if it's stressing you out, he got to go. It's 2021. We don't have time to be stressing over ninjas, okay? We do not. What's going on here? Do you guys think she has 4C hair? I actually think she has a combination of textures, 4C and 4B. So the top of her hair looks like it's a little bit more on the 4B side versus the bottom. Especially her edges seems to be 4C. But there's a combination. I mean, no hard feelings. How come everybody feels like, first of all, why does everyone skip over 4B as if it doesn't exist? And why do people get offended when they say you may have 4B hair? What is wrong with having 4B? Everybody wants to have 4C hair now because of the views, because people are checking for 4C. But if you don't have 4C hair and someone is clocking you, then maybe take that into consideration. Let's not be crazy. It's okay to have a combination of textures. Even I have some 4B hair too. Like, I don't understand. But yeah, her hair is beautiful. It's long. It's healthy. How about over here? Interesting. Wait, I don't understand. I mean, didn't we all do that? That's what's going on right here in my head, actually. No one actually goes all the way. We stop halfway through. Girl, this is not new. Thanks, though. Let's watch a few more and then we'll call it quits. For the most part though, I feel like it's kind of accurate. Most people in here they do seem like they have 4C hair, I have to say. I'm just scrolling.
Listen.
I
don't understand why is it so hard for men that have children to understand that I'm in my 20s. I don't want to date a man with children, especially when I don't have any children. I'm in my 20s.
Why was this tagged 4C hair? See, this is what I mean. People use the hashtag for views because she doesn't have 4C hair and she's not even talking about 4C hair or hair in general. So why the inaccurate hashtag? That's the problem. Why do we do this? Like, I don't think she even has 4C hair either. Like, you know, it's okay to not have 4C hair. What the? Anywho, that's probably enough, isn't it? How long have we been recording? 17 minutes. Oh Lord. Okay, that's enough of going through the TikTok shenanigans. I do have a TikTok, but I don't post on there. I'm a little shy, you know. I don't know. Maybe I'll start posting on there because I have a ton of content that never sees the light of day for absolutely no reason. So maybe I'll dump some things on TikTok. Anyways, this is a video. Thank you for watching. I hope it was at least a little bit entertaining or something. Yeah, I'll see you guys on Sunday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. Check out my Instagram. I changed my Instagram handle today. I don't know why. I was feeling some sort of way. I felt like Jen J wasn't really like who I wanted to be on Instagram anymore. So now it's at the Jen Jackson. A little easier to say, I think. Maybe I'm gonna miss Jen J. I don't know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.